So this is a tutorial on how to prepare your final exam presentation. I created a template for you with all the assignments you did during the term, and the presentation is uploaded over here. It's on Drive directly in your group, and it's called Exam Presentation Template. So you download this to your computer and then start working with it. So when you open the file, first thing you do, you go to the master page, and here you just have to enter your name here. So let me type this. So you say your name, and once you've done this, then when you go to any of the pages, it will be there. So after this, what you have to do is, so you have one page for each assignment here. So you just go to your assignments and you just copy and paste that. So I created grids here, and the size is slightly different from what your presentation size was, because I had to fit this on A3 format. So what you do is you just open the file for one of your assignments, and then you copy all this and go here and paste it, and then you will have to adjust the size just a little bit. So just look at the guides and scale it just a tiny bit so that it fits into the guides. All right, and move it around so it looks well, like this, something like this maybe. All right, yeah. And yeah, and continue doing this. Just copy and paste. So 3 spreads of your presentations fit on one A3 format. Just you have to scale a little bit, unfortunately. I had to change the size a tiny bit. All right, but it's really not so much and not so difficult. So just copy, paste, and continue, and so I just created one page for each assignment, and the assignment names are written here. So if you need additional pages for this assignment, you just drag one more page over here, and this place here will be empty, but you don't need this anymore, and you continue doing that. All right, so there's one thing about the assignments, is that you don't have to use all your work that you did during the term, but just pick the best ones and take at most 2 of these A3 pages for each assignment. So at most 6 spreads for each assignment. Don't use more than 2 pages, all right? So let me move this slightly so that it looks nice. Okay. So, something like this. Now, if you missed some assignments, so there is an assignment you didn't do, so then you just throw out this page. Now I won't do it, but just delete the pages for the assignments which you haven't done. All right, and then I want to tell you about the last page here. This last page is for the concert poster, for the poster project. So we will print the posters in bigger size, in A2. But what I want you to place here is any kind of work that you have done for this poster. I want you to document the progress. So I want you to place the older versions of the poster over here. And depending on how many you have done, so you just paste these versions of your poster into here and show them nicely and try to arrange them in a nice way so that we can see what you have done during the term. All right? So once you're finished with all this, what you do is you say File, you say Export, and you export it as exam presentation, and you write your name here. All right, and then say Save, and you will have to export this as a high quality print here. So the preset is high quality print and all pages. All right, and then you export this. Okay, and this will be the file you will have to print for your final exam presentation. So that's all. Thank you.